gonna watch the video real quick. Obviously, you guys are free to go. You guys want to sit around? That's right.
Do you have a business card on you? Just so you know. Officer Romo?
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
So that's a report number as well. That's my business card.
And what do I do about?
I'll take care of the rest.
Okay, so it's going to get charged?
Yeah. Look at the feds real quick.
You got to confirm everything. Okay.
Obviously, I just want to make sure you're good.
I'm sorry, I didn't even realize it just got sprayed.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody said way after.
Who did you spray directly?
Yeah.
Just him?
Not even the wife, just him.
It is.
He had physical control back here, so I was just trying to get him out of there.
They found my cut, my feet, and
Like
they
spray
try to lick it.
Oh, London?
Like the door right there?
Yeah.
I think they did it.
Oh my god.
All right, boss.
Look
Appreciate
at the
it.
dogs, you know, they carry your.
We'll give you guys a little
Yeah.
time.
I didn't know that by now.
Yeah, what is about they cheer for the cut? When I was young, I told my dog, "Get my cut." Yeah, swear to God.
We'll stay for that.
Lucky you, Mr. Rome. Oh, wow, Ron.
You see what happens when somebody just walks like an idiot? In fact, I never watched her. None of us would have. She got me good. Yeah. I'm going to go home and look for that ice pack. I know the system. Have a good night, guys. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So the first charge is going to be the now individual detective to take your camera away. On the slide, the rest are misdemeanors. How do you set this? Are you still okay with pursuing those charges?
Absolutely. Yes.
Look at that belly. You're not even skinny. You're not skinny.
Charges as well.
Yes.
And Jason, for the female party, she's going to be charged with. And that's
Wow, look at that. You say you didn't eat.
Charging.
You claim to not eat. Look at you.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at you.
She's going to do tomorrow. And
Oh, you purring?
then we'll have a work over there.
Baby, it's
We'll
purring.
go from there, okay?
Okay. I appreciate you following up, so thank you very much.
Guys, it's
Yeah,
purring.
want to make sure you guys are
It's
good. I
purring.
know.
Oh, you love
Yeah,
me. You love me.
Content before. You guys do good work. It's pretty interesting, in my opinion. I just hope that was helpful and was at least a positive interaction with law enforcement for this video.
Because Mama showered you guys. And the mommy showered.
Está viendo.
Yeah.
No, no, they look like it. Nah, he doesn't.
Well, I appreciate you, sir. So, thank you. I
You're bad.
think will be taking that video.
We see each other.
Yeah, the video's going up at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Stay safe out there. Have a good night.
You too, bye.
Thank you.
That's a little good workout for them. Want to know the
If you
template?
got hit,
Yeah.
even if you
No,
were
I
not
just-
No, they were all over here.
you
They're
need to
figuring out how to
try
talk
this.
about
Did you know there could be a check with your name on it?
Hey, before I move, I gotta count
$7,000
it.
or more just
Oh,
for
look, he
being
just
in a
buried
car accident that is not your fault. Most people don't. And the insurance company is hoping you don't find out. If your crash happened in the last 12 months, here's what they don't want you to find out. So many people who have been in car accidents in the last
Oh,
12
this
months
little
have no idea
purse.
they're
This is
sleeping
purring.
on a
He just doesn't know how to go like long. He's
People
going.
all
Yeah.
over the country are getting
He sounds like a boy going like this.
You're
$70,000.
cute, bro.
$100,000.
Careful, man.
Sometimes
Come
more,
on.
without
Come on.
paying a single dollar up front, and without ever stepping foot in a
Only
courtroom, only because they check to see what their
Is he a
accident
boy or
was
girl?
worth instead of just
We're gonna start writing the
buying
colors
insurance.
so we can know
And
which one's
you
boy
can do
and
the
girl.
same if you click the link below this video. If you were in a car accident in the last year and it was not your fault, click the link below right now and answer 5 quick questions. It only takes 30 seconds and it's completely free. Take Michelle. She got hit in a car crash that turned her whole life upside down. Neck pain so bad she could not go to work. Bills piling up. Stress eating her alive. She had no idea any of that was something she would actually be paid for. But before signing anything with the insurance company, she found auto relief assistance. She clicked the link, answered 5 simple questions, and within moments, she was on the phone with an accident analyst. A few months later, she received a check for $100,000. Why? Because like most accidents with injuries, she had a case worth money. Money that is already put aside by insurance companies for accidents like hers. And all she did was check. She finally got to take real time off to rest and recover. She paid off every bill, and she bought her dream car. And it didn't cost her a single dollar to find out if she qualified. If you were in a car crash, had insurance, and it was not
Bring
your fault,
Princess over here.
click the link below. It just takes 30 seconds.
Princess,
Answer
para que los mire.
5 simple
Que como chinga su madre.
questions and see what your accident could be worth before the insurance company keeps the money. Now here's what nobody tells you. Thousands of people are
Princess, come here.
$4,000 settlement
Princess, right here.
is all they're worth.
Down.
This happens
Be nice.
because
Sit
that's
down.
what they
Down.
do. The
Be
more
nice.
money the insurance company keeps,
Be nice.
that's how they make
Be
billions
nice.
of dollars. The system is designed
Be
to
nice.
make that
Be
personal
nice.
offer feel fair.
Be
So
nice.
you sign and
Be
disappear.
nice.
Meanwhile, the
Be
money
nice,
that was
okay,
already
mama?
set aside for accidents, just like
Be
yours,
nice.
it's going straight into somebody else's pocket. That money
If they
is
want
your
chichi,
reward
let them
for
have
your
some
self
chichi.
to claim. Click the link below.
He's right
Answer
here,
the
it's okay.
5 questions
Yeah.
and find out in 30 seconds if
Go,
your
girl,
accident
mamas.
could
Be nice.
worth life-changing money. And listen, this accident is
Princess.
not your fault.
Be nice.
You should not be the one paying for it. That's literally what insurance
No, she's just like,
is
she's
No, I
doing,
know, but she's too rough. That's what I'm saying.
she's trying to,
with everything that came after
you're
this
doing good.
accident,
They're
with
small for that.
injuries, the
She's trying to like turn them around like
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
fucking
like how,
nose.
how she does shit like
You be
that.
the one who's
Be nice, sit down.
it's hard
Stay,
and
stay.
not get the money that was already set aside
Stay,
to make up for it.
stay.
Yeah,
And the
they're
best part is,
babies.
Stay,
You don't need to pay
stay.
anything up front. No out-of-pocket
Stay.
costs.
They're the babies.
You just
Stay.
answer 5 questions and
Stay.
Look, he's trying to get her.
Literally
Stay.
nothing to lose. Click the link below.
Stay.
Answer the 5
Stay.
questions, and in 30 seconds, you'll know if you're owed big money. But you have to know there
It's
is
okay.
a time limit. In
Spiky.
most cases,
Nah, hell no, Spiky, you're rough.
12 months from the date of the accident.
Be
to
nice.
take action.
Be nice.
After that, your
She's
fault.
good.
The money is gone.
Yeah, I know, but
and
her
the insurance
fucking legs are heavy.
company keeps everything.
I don't hear her
For most
squishing.
people, that's tens of thousands of dollars walking right out
Yeah, that's
the
enough.
door.
Put her inside.
So if your accident happened
Go inside.
in the last
Get
year,
inside now.
do not
Hurry up.
wait 30 seconds
Hurry up.
to
Here.
change your
Hurry
They're
up.
older? Should get to the little.
Click the link below right now. Answer 5 simple questions and see if there's a check waiting for you before it's too late.
Mr. Tigger, she fucked you up.
Did you know you might get a big cash payout if you were in a car accident up to 1 year ago, even if you weren't driving? Just click the link around this
Oh,
video
Spike's
to
not?
see how much
Be nice, Spike. Sit down. Stay. Stay, okay? Stay. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
You're the baby.
Be nice.
Click the link now to find out.
Princess, shut it.
Tens of thousands of people have received a five-figure
You're the baby, okay?
Be
You're
nice.
the baby.
Be nice, okay?
big legal fees
Be nice.
for getting insurance companies or greedy attorneys, even if you were a pedestrian, rideshare user, cyclist, or motorcycle.
Be nice, okay, Papa?
You can get the justice you deserve. Look at Mia, for example. She
Be
had
nice.
no idea her case was worth anything.
Be nice.
But after she came to car
Be
accident,
Hey,
nice.
Papa's a baby. You're the
Be nice,
baby.
okay? Be nice. Be nice. Down.
you were less than a year ago.
Down. Stay.
You're just a baby, okay?
Stay.
To see how
Be
much
nice.
than you expected.
Be nice. Be nice.
So we can help
Be
you
nice.
accelerate for
It's fine, let her cry. Be nice. Be nice.
Here's what
Be
happens
nice.
after you answer the 5 simple
Be
questions.
nice.
In a few minutes,
Be nice.
top injury specialist
He's being more gentle.
will tell you if your
Fucking
accident
princess is
qualifies
fucking-
for compensation. After
You're the
that,
baby.
Be nice, okay, Papas?
Nice.
Be nice. Be nice.
you can get in as little as 30 days.
Be nice.
Your specialist will do everything to
Be
help
nice.
because they don't get paid unless
Be
you
nice.
do. To see if your accident qualifies for a major cash settlement, click the
Be
link
nice.
below and answer 5 simple questions. Some
Be
people
nice.
feel bad about holding someone accountable.
Be
Don't
nice.
let it cause trouble or look like they're scamming the
Be
system.
nice.
Don't let that be your
Princess.
conversation.
Be nice.
You're all right.
Be nice.
It's okay.
Be nice.
Answer a few questions
Be
about
nice.
your case.
It's okay, Papa.
Be
It's
nice.
okay, okay? You're your friend.
Be nice.
You're your family.
Within minutes for free.
Be nice, okay?
Come on.
Yeah, mándalo.
Go back. No, I'm getting him just to.
Won't it feel good to pay off your bills, get a new car, and have a ton of extra cash to take a vacation or treat yourself by using the car accident cancel app? If the accident wasn't your fault, you shouldn't be punished. So if you're still wondering if this will work for you, and you haven't gotten a settlement, this is for you. The accident can't be your fault.